we guide you through how to fix a Snapchat device ban in 2025. Start by deleting the Snapchat app completely, then go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and make sure all Snapchat data is removed. Next, reset your advertising identifier by going to Settings, Privacy and Security, Tracking, and toggling Allow apps to request to track off and on. After that, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, Reset Network Settings to refresh your device connection. Restart your iPhone, reinstall the Snapchat app from the App Store, and create or log into a clean account. If the ban still remains, your last option is to contact Snapchat support and request a review of your device ban.